How to read your report, Compost Basic. Welcome! In this video, we will discuss all of the data you receive in your Compost Basic report and why each number is important to make key management decisions. Here is your report. Along the header of your report, you will find the report type, your personal details, the date the report was sent to you, the sample number, and your unique ID, and the date when the sample was received by our lab. When looking at your report, down the middle section of the page, you will find the ideal ranges marked. Part 2. Key Data Measurements. In this section, along the left side of your report, you will find the measurements for the following items: moisture percentage, pH, electrical conductivity, reported in microsiemens per centimeter, aerobic fungi, total fungi, aerobic bacteria, total bacteria, measured in micrograms per gram, the total fungi to total bacteria ratio, aerobic fungi to total fungi ratio, the aerobic bacteria to total bacteria ratio, and the aerobic fungi to aerobic bacteria ratio. The result column is where your specific measurements are found. When a number is in red, this means your sample's results fell outside of the ideal range based on all of the other information we have, both provided by you and acquired by the lab. If appropriate, the lab may leave commentary based on what they see in your sample. This commentary can be found along the right side of the page. Part 3. Compost Basic Add-ons. When you order the Compost Basic for your sample, there are a few add-ons that we have made available: E. coli, protozoa, and nematodes. The protozoa add-on includes readings for flagellates, amoeba, and ciliates. These numbers are reported in most probable number per gram and are important because they help us indicate how well your soils are functioning biologically. The E. coli reading is reported in CFU, or colony forming units, per gram. You will note along the right side of the page, it is stated that, for most areas, the maximum E. coli CFU per gram is 800 to 1,000. We do recommend that you check with your local regulations for more information, especially if your levels are higher than this range and/or if you are working with a food crop. As you can see on this report, the level is much higher than the ideal range, coming in at 5,464.99 CFU per gram. The nematode add-on is provided as a separate, single-page report. This test allows us to identify any nematodes present in your sample and identify them down to the group and genus. This enables us to determine the type of nematode and whether or not they are helpful or harmful to your plants. The amounts of each type of nematode will be reported in number per gram. The types of nematodes listed will include and/or vary between bacterial feeders, fungal feeders, fungal root feeders, also known as switchers, root feeders, and predatory nematodes. While these add-ons may not necessarily change your recommendations for products, practices, or amendments, they can provide an incredible benefit of detailed and highly specific data for your sample. They will provide you with a greater understanding and scope of understanding of what is happening in your material. Part 4. Application Recommendations. In this section, you will find our recommended rates of application for your compost material to improve soils. We will also indicate the most appropriate plant group for your compost. This will be specified under the quantity and area columns to the right side of your page. This section of recommended products can be tailored to suit your goals and resources. Review your own report and bring your specific questions to the 15-minute report review appointment. Learn more about how to test your samples here and contact us at info@earthfort.com if you have any further questions. If you've already completed your testing and would like to schedule your complimentary 15-minute report review, please give us a call today at 541-257-2612. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.